Hello friends, welcome back to my another Elementor video. Today I will show you how to create a free form in Elementor. At first, select the form and drag into your project. Now you can modify the form text, layout and color as you want. We're using padding to determine the dimensions of this form. To add a new field, click Add Item. You can also duplicate an existing field. You can modify field types, including text, number, checkbox, file, and others. We now verify the email address used for communication purposes, and you'll receive email notifications at this address after form submission. Elementor Form widget have powerful features, which enables users to build versatile and highly customizable forms. These forms can be used for a variety of purposes, such as contact forms, registration forms, surveys, and more. Finally, click the Update button to save all settings. Now, let's see the live form view. Let's take a look at the demo submission. Now, click to Send button to submit this form. Yes, the submission was successful. Now, we'll check the email to confirm that the form is working properly. First, check the Elementor Submissions menu, where all the submissions are stored. Yes, take a look at this. It's new data submitted for demo purposes. Let's review the details of this submission. You get the all data, name, email, contact, and others details. Now, we will check the email. First check to the inbox, otherwise you can also check to the spam folder. Yes, this is the new submission message. So, I think you understand how to get email submission notification to email by Elementor Pro. It's an easy process, and you can also download an Excel file of your online submission data. Finally, if you loved this video, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting update notifications. Thank you.